everybody, welcome back to my own channel. Sorry, my bad. But anyways, I'm gonna show you some creepy sounds that some people might have heard before. So the first one is from Saturn itself, and it's Into the Unknown. And you gotta hear this sound, it's very creepy. So what I'm gonna search up is probably this. What I'm gonna search up is probably this. So here's the video. Yeah, so the next one has to do with a child laughing, and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, the last one is gonna be, the next one gotta do with likely a siren. This was back in 2016 of Chicago of maybe the siren actually going off in a strange way, and this is what it sounds like. The next one has to do with a red fox yelling, and it's by the sound of it, this sounds like a human person screaming out loud. The next sound has to do with the underwater creature called the bloop, and the bloop seems to be like something weird, and people used to be freaked out about this when they heard this sound, and this is what it sounded like. I am somehow still confused about how did this sound was even heard from. And yep, that's pretty much all from today. I'm sorry if this video is going to be short like all my other ones. I can't really make that much of long videos, because imagine if I was just ongoing making videos, and I can't actually make videos that long, so I'm gonna have to end the video. So guess what? Bye!